The true history of humanity has been hidden from us. And now we are all on a runaway train, hurtling towards mankind's extinction. In the driver's seat, the theory of evolution, a linear version of his story, in which Homo sapiens are the pinnacle of evolution and primitive brutes wandered the planet aimlessly for millions of years before us. But archaeological evidence and new genetic discoveries do not fit neatly within this current theory, suggesting that our world may have actually looked more like something from the Lord of the Rings, that mythological beings may once have been flesh and blood. Like the Homo floresiensis species, whose fossils were found in what is called the Hobbit Cave. Villagers in the area have legends of a short hairy being they called the little people of the forest, the Ibu Gogo. The villagers tolerated them until they stole a baby, and then the local tribe drove them out. They were described as short, 3 to 4 feet tall, with a prominent eyebrow ridge and unusually long arms, and they lived in caves. The fossils fit this description. Are they the being from legend? There were other hominin species that existed on the planet when humans migrated out of Africa some 60,000 years ago, like the Neanderthals, who lived in Europe and Asia for about 400,000 years. Wouldn't they then have made it into legend? Were they the angels? The Book of Enoch was banned from the Bible. It used to be widely read and was one of the ancient scrolls found hidden in clay jars deep within a desert cave. According to the ancient scroll, there were angels living at the time of humans, also called the sons of God or watchers. Archaeological evidence shows that Neanderthals taught humans how to make glue and certain stone tools, like these for tanning hides. According to the Book of Enoch, they taught humanity things like writing, astrology, and herbology, and much, much more, some of which was forbidden knowledge. Recent genetic testing has proven that Neanderthals mated with humans around 50,000 years ago. Everyone outside of Africa today has 1 to 4% Neanderthal DNA. The genetic legacies we have inherited from them include things like pale skin, smoking, staying up late, and using oxygen more efficiently at high altitudes. Mitochondrial DNA, which is passed down through the mother, does not exist in modern humans, suggesting that it was exclusively male Neanderthals who mated with human women. In the Book of Enoch, there were 200 watchers, and they were all male. Is this why in Genesis God told Eve, "I will sharply increase your pain in childbirth, and pain you will bring forth children"? Because once outside of the Garden of Eden, humanity was destined to be seeded by the fallen angels. In no other species is birth so difficult as for humans. Babies have to rotate their head to squeeze through the narrow birth canal. Is this another genetic legacy of interbreeding with Neanderthals? Their bones were bigger and thicker than humans, and their craniums were a lot larger, with pronounced occipital buns. Are all ancient legends, folklore, and religious prophecy just superstition, myth, and metaphor? Or are they more historically accurate than we think?